In this video, we will show you how to change photo background online. For example, I will change the two photo, okay? First is dog and the second is cactus. You can see. It can also using hard background like this. How to change the photo background online? And very fast. Just open your web browser first and open remove.pg. Okay, this is the URL. And upload your image. For example, I will using the cactus first. Then your background will automatically delete it. Okay. You can change the background easily by clicking this background and select color. Okay. You can change the background suitable with your needs. Like this, for example. Okay. The second, I will also change my dog photo. Okay. I will change the background into another solid colors. You can click plus background again and select color and select the color you want like this. Okay, after that you can just download the photo. If you want to using max quality, you need to just sign up and using the account. But I need just free here. Just click this and this is the results. Okay, that's all tutorial how to change photo background online. Thanks for watching.